Hello everyone. If you find my channel as useful and productive, please do click the bell icon down all and subscribe to my channel, English for Competitive Exams. The topic for today is a commonly asked one in exams by the name error rectification or rectification of errors. Today's topic is when and where to use the definite article the. First of all, what is a definite article? The word used in English to refer to a person or a thing that is identified or specified. It indicates that the identity of the noun is already known to the reader. So I have brought for you certain specifications or rules regarding where exactly should this definite article be used. First is used before the names of trains and ships. The Rajdhani Express is a very fast train. The world's most celebrated luxury train is the Venice Simplon Orient Express. Second, it is used before the nationals of a country or a continent. The Mexicans are made up of Native Americans and European immigrants. The Indians are extremely religious people. Third one, it is used before superlative adjectives. Hari is the most intelligent boy in the class. Here the superlative adjective is most intelligent. Taj Mahal is the most beautiful monument of India. It is used before adjectives which perform the role of noun. Life can be very hard for the poor. Poor is the adjective, poor man, poor boy, poor person. But here it performs the function of noun. The rich and the poor should be treated alike. Fifth one, it is used before the names of big public buildings. The People's Park is situated in Madras. The Taj Mahal is the largest monument of India. As you see in the second example, Taj Mahal is a public building. Also, largest is the superlative adjective. They went to the town hall. Sixth one, it is used before the names of seas, rivers, deserts, mountains, etc. The Mount Everest is also known as Sagarmatha in Nepal. They visited the Himalayas last month. The ship crossed the Pacific Ocean. Seventh one, it is used before a noun which is followed by of. A cord of wood was split and stacked for the wood stove. This led to the destruction of the whole village. In the first sentence, there is a slight mistake. A cord of the wood was split and stuck for the wood stove. Eighth one is before dates of periods of time. It dates back to the 6th century BC. It's a popular music of the 1940s. Ninth one, it is used before any nouns that are commonly used. I want to meet the author of that novel. Have you seen the lions at the zoo? Suddenly, the lights went out. Tenth one, it is used before a noun that is followed by a relative clause or a prepositional phrase. I am buying a gift for the woman who helped me move out. Here it is the relative clause. I like the woman who lives next door. Third one is the prepositional phrase. By the time I got there, he had gone. She went blind at the age of 10. By the time, at the age of 10, these are prepositional phrases. It is used with phrases that denote time. I reached in the evening. She goes for a walk daily in the evening. It is used to refer parts of body. I need a covering for the foot. The capodestro is fitted around the neck of the guitar. Smoking is harmful for the lungs. 13th one, it is used with the countable nouns that are used in the singular. The government is singular. The government brought a lot of policies for the public. Do not break the law. 14th one, it is used with words such as school, university, prison, something particular and specific. He goes to the University of Illinois. They will visit the school once they become free. It is used to refer to universal things. The sun is a star. The earth revolves around the sun. We look up at those stars shining in the sky. 16th one, used to refer to specific persons or things. I had gone to meet the boss. I had been to the principal's office. The French people are an ethnic group located in Western Europe, used before common nouns. The boys in the class were absent. He threw the pen into the river. The computer I just bought is very solid. Now I have a set of questions for practice. Identify when to use the. First, Pope is visiting Russia. Can you guess? The Pope is visiting Russia. Who is President of France? Who is the President of France? He is tallest boy in the class. He is the tallest boy in the class. We live in villa next to church. We live in the villa next to the church. Look at boy standing there. Look at the boy standing there. Man used a heavy hammer to smash windows in the shop. The man used a heavy hammer to smash the windows in the shop. Heart pumps blood around the body. The earth pumps blood around the body. I heard it on radio. I heard it on the radio. I think rich must pay more taxes. I think the rich must pay more taxes. There is water on floor. There is water on the floor. How long can you fly kite in sky? How long can you fly the kite in the sky? Have you visited Kingdom of Bhutan? Have you visited the Kingdom of Bhutan? Paris is capital of France. Paris is the capital of France. Balkans comprise of Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina. The Balkans comprise of Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Dodo is an extinct pigeon-like bird. The dodo is an extinct pigeon-like bird. Turn right from here and you will see 36th Street. Turn right from here and you will see the 36th Street. Hari hopes to apply for internship next year. Hari hopes to apply for the internship next year. Meeting is scheduled for Monday. The meeting is scheduled for Monday. Can you return me book I gave? Can you return me the book I gave? Unicorn is a mythical beast. The unicorn is a mythical beast. I hope you have understood the topic. Please subscribe if you have enjoyed my videos. Thank you.